The Cayenne base model is equipped with a 3.6 liter VR6 engine. It has one air filter that is located under the engine panel on the left side indicated by the red arrow. You need to remove the panel to access the filter. Please see our article and video by following the link provided at the end of this video if you need additional assistance with that task. The air filter cover, red arrow, has a tube coming from it to the MAF, indicated by the blue arrow. The lid is held in place by two clips that can be released with hand pressure. While you can use a T30 torque to turn and remove the two plastic pegs that hold the tube to the cover, these are made from plastic and can get brittle and are a pain to remove. If I am changing the air filter, I like to remove the MAF and tube and check them for any obstructions and give them a good cleaning. With the cover off, you can see the base of the tube and how you need to rotate the pegs, blue arrow, to line up with the opening, red arrow. You cannot see these with the cover in place. I find it easier to use a flathead screwdriver and remove the two clamps holding the intake tube, red arrow, to the throttle body and MAF. With the tube off, you can wipe down the inside and check the condition of the throttle body. Next, pull out the tab, red arrow, on the MAF connection and then gently push down on it and separate the connection. You can now lift the MAF, attach the tube, up with the cover and off of the air filter box, red arrow. Remove the old filter and clean the air box. Install a new filter. Installation is the reverse of removal. When installing the lid, make sure that it sits in the three slots in the bottom of the airbox indicated by the red arrows. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.